Hello and welcome to the super spooky Halloween edition of the ChevHELL project. I can't think of anything scarier than cleaning this car out. So let's do it. I'm an avocado. So I got bored on Sunday. I came out here and took the engine out. Curiosity was getting the best of me. I wanted to know what we were working with. Let me show you what I found. The heads are just 307 two-barrel garbage, small valve, silicone, oil pan, lots and lots and lots of silicone. The engine is a 4-bolt main. I looked at the suffix code, and it's a 1970 ChevHELL Camaro Nova 300 horsepower 350. So it's pretty much just a normal 350. It might have at one point had some better heads on it, but check out the angle of the sump. And take a look at what the sump is full of. Silicone. It was a real pain in the ass to get the camshaft out of it. So I'm going to take a real close look at the cam bearings and see if one of them didn't get put in right, and that's what cut the oil off. I haven't found a real smoking gun yet, but the sump being packed with silicone doesn't help. The bores on the block are 30 over, but look how clean those pistons are. Look how clean the rods are. This does not have very many miles on it. It's just too bad that somebody was overzealous with the RTV. Let's get on that ChevHELL. Safety first. All right, well, looks pretty good, actually. I think we could save that gas tank. Pretty sure I saw something swimming in it. Good news is I don't think the frame rails are terrible. But yeah, it's going to need a trunk floor, that's for sure. All right, well, let's keep going. Yikes. This is the part I don't want to do. Whew. And I lived to tell the tale. I did get stabbed in the hand with a piece of glass that went right through my glove. That's fine. I have hours and hours of vacuuming to do. There's just something creepy about a headliner that hangs down. I just don't like that at all. So got most of that out. I have a pretty sizable hole passenger rear. Quite a bit more passenger front. So, and it's, you know, thin everywhere. I think I'm just going to do, I doubt the tunnel's bad. So I'm probably just going to do the floor, the half sections. Driver's side floor, I noticed when I was laying underneath it that it wasn't rusted through, but who knows how. Well, feels pretty good, actually. And this is slightly better than the passenger side. But, yep, lots of vacuuming to do, lots of cleaning. I'm just glad that creepy headliner's gone. There's still some hanging, but that just weirds me out. I always think there's something up there. Well, I'm pretty sure I need to burn my clothes and take a chemical bath of some sort after that. Oof. But that's about as far as we're going to get this week. Man, this hat's warm. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fun and safe Halloween and a great weekend.